Hello, my name is Ilhan Daniel and today I will be presenting on steel design, or more specifically structural steel design. Structural steel design is an area of structural engineering used to design steel structures. These structures include schools, houses, bridges, commercial centers, tall buildings, warehouses, aircraft, ships, and stadiums. The design and use of steel frames are commonly employed in the design of steel structures. More advanced structures include steel plates and shells. In structural engineering, a structure is a body or a combination of pieces of rigid bodies in space that forms a fitness system for supporting loads and resisting moments. The effects of loads and moments on structures are determined through structural analysis. A steel structure is composed of structural members that are made of steel, usually with standard cross-sectional profiles and standard of chemical composition and mechanical properties. The depth of steel beams used in the construction of bridges is usually governed by the maximum moment, and the cross-section is then verified for shear strength, near supports, and lateral torsional buckling. This is by determining the distance between transverse members connecting adjacent beams. Steel column members must be verified as adequate to prevent buckling after axial and moment requirements are met. There are currently two common methods of steel design. The first method is the allowable strength design, or ASD method. The second is the load and resistance factor design, or LRFD method. Both uses a strength or ultimate level design approach. That is all from me. Thank you very much.
Good morning, my name is Nidya Anamayanbrona. So here is the advantage of steel design. Firstly is quality and speed. Most steel structures are manufactured and planned using prefabrication method. This ensures the quality of such structure and allow for a high speed of further installation. Second advantage is strength and safety. Steel has a similar high strength as concrete. The assembly procedure of steel structure is eventually clear and strictly controlled. Steel compares poorly only in terms of flame resistance, as it loses its strength when exposed to high temperature. However, this problem has been solved. Today, steel structures are covered by refractory material and agents that protect against corrosion, mold, and parasites. Third advantage of steel design is economic efficient. Steel construction requires 70% fewer working hours than concrete. The rapid work rate means that facilities can be commissioned faster. In addition, saving in material themselves should also be noted. A steel structure is 30 to 60% lighter than a similar one made from concrete. As a result, load on a foundation are considered lower. Constructing a building using a steel-based structure requires less material for its foundation than the small building would require if it were made of concrete. So, for the last advantage of steel design is flexible and expansiveness. Steel by nature is flexible material that can withstand high load. Today, steel elements of various shapes and sizes can be created that ensure high structural strength. Steel facilities allow architects to bring bold ideas to life, give and better shape to internal shape, modify a building in the process of construction, and efficiently integrate utilities. So that's all for the advantage of steel design. Thank you.
My name is Abang Muhammad Amirul bin Awang. Metric number 05TKA 20F 2007. Today I want to present about universal beam. What is universal beam? Universal beam, as we know, is an I-beam, H-beam or rolled steel joint RSL. Universal beam are usually made of structured steel and are one of the most commonly used load-bearing beam in the engineering and construction industry. There is a reason why I-beam are called universal beam. They are available in an extensive range of weight, dimension, and size, as well as having different section depth, length, width, and wave thickness for various purposes.
Hi, my name is Presentation Steel. Today I want to present about universal columns. Universal columns are the most often used section for structural steel purpose, unlike a universal beam. The UC width is roughly equal to the depth. For example, a 152 UC 23 is 152 mm wide and 152 mm deep, and 152/89 UB is 16 is 89 mm wide and 152/52 mm deep.